Good afternoon, guys. It is Saturday, January 17th, 2026. We have a rain-snow mix going on right now here in the backyard, Long Island, New York. It's very wet, as you can see. I mean, that's the snow falling. You can see it going against the tree. But you can hear it. It sounds like rain falling. You can hear it in the gutters over here. Yep, you can see it falling. I mean, it sounds like rain. It's like I said, it's a rain snow mix going on right now. So, if you're out today, please be safe and please be careful driving. See you guys later.